Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by powering off the Jbl earbuds and placing them on a clean, flat surface so nothing gets lost. Next, position your thumb and forefinger at the base of the silicone tip, not on the stem. This protects the nozzle and driver. Then, twist the tip slightly while pulling outward. This reduces suction and prevents tearing. Once removed, inspect the nozzle for debris and compressed foam. If you see buildup, clear it now so the new tip seats properly later. Now choose the correct replacement. Small, medium, or large. Pick the one that seals comfortably for better base and isolation. If using foam tips, roll and compress them first so they expand inside your ear canal. This creates a tighter seal. Align the tip's inner retaining ring squarely with the earbud nozzle, then press straight on. Don't angle it. Press firmly until you feel a click or firm resistance. This ensures the tip won't come off during use and maintains sound quality. Finish by testing fit and sound. Play audio at low volume and move your jaw to confirm the seal and comfort. Good fit equals clearer bass and less ambient noise. If audio seems muffled or the tip shifts, remove it, clean the nozzle with a soft brush or cloth, then reseat the tip firmly. Debris often causes poor contact. If the tip is torn or refuses to hold, replace it with a new genuine or compatible tip. If retention still fails.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.